Namaste, my dear IPMA members. It's a great privilege talking to you once again, giving you some more in-depth detail of the program, which we called it as a Wave 2. So you must have seen in the overview where I had given some perspective of what this program is all about and why you can expect to learn more and develop some more deeper competency for the transformation that you can undertake in your organization. So I am going to give you a very brief idea of what is this first module is going to be, which is titled as Transformation Leadership Development. So you may be wondering what this really means. Let us take the word by word explanation. Transformation. Why we have not mentioned that as a change leadership? Because when you say transformation, it is a major challenge of taking the organization to a much higher level. As we are talking about the forthcoming opportunities, we anticipate a great opening happening because of the trade shift that is being in the anvil, and also the various kind of aids coming from the government. It is very important to see that the organizations are looking into the various paradigms and then try to bring in more and more leadership in the company. So when you say transformation, we are really talking about building more competency of the organization, which is the need of the hour. So what is leadership is all about is essentially you are all leading the organization at various leadership capacity. And many of you also must have gone through certain post-graduation courses on various universities on MBA. But nevertheless, to get into a very specific area of skill development, looking into bigger picture of the emerging economy, it requires a lot of leadership in the organization. So even if you have already been leading the organization, this program will give you a lot of new insights and help you to strategize for your future growth. So this is going to be a very hands-on program where we are not going to talk too much of theory about leadership. It is primarily to look into your own organization specifically and form a group of people among yourself, and then develop the vision, mission statements, which will bring in some clarity that where you want to take your business in the next 3 to 5 years. So having developed the vision and mission statements, etc., we also would like to set some goals for your organization, which primarily what kind of a turnover that you are looking for, what kind of a profitability you are looking for. So that becomes very critical and important. If you don't set your goal, obviously you cannot chase those numbers. So once you have done the clarity of where the vision is going to be, and then you have done the goal setting, which in terms of deciding the profitability and turnover targets that you want to set for yourself, the next step will be to go into the details of the strategies, making choices primarily, how do we need to restructure our company, how we can bring in the various cost optimization methodologies in your company. So this is a very focused program for the plastic manufacturers, intended to bring in clarity in terms of the roadmap for next 3 to 5 years. So irrespective of whatever may be the size of your company, it could be a less than 10 crores turnover company, or you can be more than 1000 crore turnover company. This program is specifically designed for the plastic manufacturing companies. As you have seen in the wave 1, we focused more on specific to plastic processing companies. So I invite you to explore this program on leadership, and then later on I will speak in detail about the other modules. Thank you very much. Look forward to see you in the program and become a great leader for creating the future for your company. Thank you very much. Namaste.